Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok cannot block user. Well, to solve this problem you'll start by actually blocking the person. So to do this, simply open your TikTok application. Now after you open your application, simply tap on the username or the profile that you want to block. Now after you open the account that you want to block, what you can do is simply tap on the share icon that is available at the top left corner. Simply tap on there, and at the end you'll find the block option. So simply tap on the block, and when you tap on the block button you'll not be able to send messages, see their post, or find their profile. And also they will not be notified that you blocked them, so do not hesitate. Simply press on block. And that's it guys, now the account has been blocked and I won't be able to see any of their posts, nor they will be able to share anything to me. And if you don't find this button, what you can do is make sure that you use the updated version of the TikTok. You can make sure by going to the Play Store and tap the search bar and search for TikTok. Now press on TikTok, tap on the logo. And if there is any update, there will be an update icon right over here. Instead of open, make sure to tap on the update. And for future use, simply tap on the vertical dots and make sure you enable the auto update button. So tap on the enable auto update so you'll always get the up-to-date version of the application. And that's it guys. In this way, you'll be easily able to fix TikTok cannot block user problem. Thank you for watching this video.